welcome back to a new wheel segment. Today we're going to be talking about the FR64. This is one of our oldest wheels that got us into the Mopar market. The FR64 is one of our only wheels we built for an all-wheel drive Charger Challenger 300C. So we actually build these in a 20 by 8.5 with a 47mm offset and gloss black and satin black, where you can use a 245, 45, 20-inch tire or 275, 40, 20-inch tire all the way around on that all-wheel drive. For your standard vehicles, Chargers, Challengers, Magnums, and 300Cs, we do have the 20 by 9s with black machine face, gloss black, satin black, and we have them staggered 20 by 9s, 20 by 10s. Colors in those are only only gloss black and satin blacks. We can also, on those standard bodies, tire size what we're running is a 275 40 all the way around with a 20 by 9.5, or you can go with the 245 45, 275 40. If you want it a little bit wider, you can go with a 255 45 20 up front and a 295 40 20 in the rear. That gives you that fat rear end that everybody's looking for in one. We're also doing these Viper wheels in a 22 by 9 gloss black, satin black to fit on all the Chargers, Challengers, Magnums, and 300C. You could run a 265, 35, 22-inch tire on those bad boys. There is a bolt on the upper control arm that you have to slice off. Most people know where that's at and how to do that. If not, you can message me, Jason at Factory Reproductions. I can send you a photo of where that bolt is to cut. It's a simple task, everybody does it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please drop a line below. You can reach me at jason@factoryreproductions.com. That is reproductions, it is plural with the S at the end. Or you can call the phone number below. Me or any other salesman can help you out. This is Jason, signing off. Factory Reproductions, making you fall in love with your ride all over again.